I'm gonna hold this here. Stay where you can't exactly see it, because I'm not gonna actually torch it.
Homemade starter knife.
What are you still recording for?
I'm recording you cleaning this bitch for brake parts cleaner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, attempt to do this.
Not
Going straight on
YouTube,
YouTube,
man.
dude.
It really will blow up. This could be the worst fail I've ever done in my whole life.
It sounds like a fail. It sounds pretty gritty in there.
Well, it was before.
I don't think it can get worse.
No, it ain't gonna get the worst.
It only get better from here.
Which it dries, so it's not gonna leave any residue.
Yeah.
That's what you think.
You get home, you start playing it, going.
But next we're gonna spray some silicone in it.
Starts wigging out.
Oh, some liquid wrench. No.
So listen to it now.
Ew. Oh yeah, it's fucking dried out. You gotta lubricate that
It's
bit.
got all the. They put oil like.
They use lithium grease.
lithium grease in them.
That button that you fixed on that other controller, the RV button, fucking. So did that work? Sticks like a son of a bitch. Yeah, it's no grit. And I
Tempted.
just it up.